Hi, this is a quick video to support you as some of you are having a little trouble finding comments. So let's take a quick look at it. Here we go, assess grades. And I'm signed in as a student, so hopefully it will appear as it would appear for you. Here are the assignments, and I'm checking my grades, and look, I have an R for Expanding Universe assignment. So I'm going to go to the Dropbox, and here it is. You don't need to send me a little note, but sometimes people do. So I'm sample student, and I wrote this little note, and here's my assignment, but I have a message from Elisa Casella. I click on the name, and I get my feedback. Nice work. Please revisit questions 2 and 4. I've added an image here. If items start, and then I ask a question. And I often say this to save you time. Please just respond in a message back here rather than re-uploading the entire assignment. It's up to you, but I'm trying to support you so you're not downloading and uploading again. So I'm like, oh, okay, I gotta look at questions 2 and 4. I'm gonna go back to my document. When I'm ready to hand it in and write my message back to Elisa, I click hand in and I write my message here. Hi, Elisa, the correct answers to, what was it, 2 and 4 are, and then down below there's a button you can't see that says save. And so now you can see, here's your assignment, here's my feedback of something I'm asking you to revisit, and then here's your response to that. Let's take a look at the other kind of feedback you can get. So here I'm going into grades. Here's my grade sheet again. You'll notice 1A is still an R. I know I responded to it, but Elisa hasn't reviewed and updated the grade. I typically, unless I'm out of town, which I notify you of, try to grade within at least 48 hours, and I'm usually much better than that. So if you find after a few days it hasn't changed, you're more than welcome to draw my attention to it. So here we are with galaxies though, and look, I'm good to go, but there's this little comment bubble over here. Nice work, thank you for your attention to detail on this assignment. There are times when I actually will tell you of a correction in this little blue bubble, but it isn't enough to ask you to revisit it. Remember, assignments don't have to be 100% correct, but that doesn't mean that I don't want you to know what the correct answer is. So if you use this with your students, you're not walking into it thinking that an answer is correct when it's not. So I hope that helps, and thank you.